The Yamaha XS650 is a motorcycle that was first introduced in 1969 and produced until 1985. It was Yamaha's first four-stroke engine motorcycle and quickly became popular due to its reliable engine, simple design, and versatility. The XS650 was available in various models, including the XS1, XS2, XS650B, XS650C, XS650D, XS650E, XS650F, XS650G, XS650H, and XS650C. The bike had a 654cc, four-stroke, twin-cylinder engine that produced around 50 horsepower, and it was capable of reaching a top speed of around 110 miles per hour. The XS650 was popular with both casual riders and motorcycle enthusiasts alike, and it was used for various purposes, including commuting, touring, and racing. It was also a popular platform for customization, and many riders modified their XS650s to suit their preferences and needs. In recent years, the Yamaha XS650 has gained a reputation as a classic motorcycle, and it has become increasingly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. Today, many XS650s are still on the road and continue to be enjoyed by riders around the world. History of the Yamaha XS650. The Yamaha XS650 was first introduced in 1968, and it quickly became a hit with riders all over the world. The bike was designed to be a direct competitor to the British-made twins that were dominating the market at the time, and Yamaha succeeded in creating a machine that was not only competitive but also surpassed its rivals in terms of reliability and performance. The XS650 was powered by a 650cc parallel twin engine that was based on Yamaha's successful XS500 model. The engine featured an overhead camshaft, which was a rarity at the time, and it produced a respectable 53 horsepower. The bike also featured a 5-speed transmission, which was another innovation in the motorcycle industry. In the years that followed, the XS650 underwent a number of changes and improvements. In 1970, Yamaha introduced the XS1B, which featured a number of upgrades, including a more powerful engine and a larger fuel tank. The following year, the XS650B was introduced, which featured an improved electrical system and a redesigned frame. In 1972, Yamaha introduced the XS650C, which featured a number of upgrades, including a new front disc brake, improved suspension, and a redesigned fuel tank. This model also marked the beginning of the XS650's transition from a pure street bike to a more versatile machine that could be used for touring and off-road riding. Throughout the 1970s, the XS650 continued to evolve, with new models being introduced every year. In 1975, Yamaha introduced the XS650B, which featured a new, more powerful engine that produced 61 horsepower. In 1978, Yamaha introduced the XS650E, which featured a number of cosmetic changes, including a new fuel tank and side covers. Despite its eventual demise, the Yamaha XS650 remains one of the most beloved motorcycles of all time, and its influence can still be seen in many of the bikes being produced today. design and features of the Yamaha XS650. The Yamaha XS650 was designed to be a versatile motorcycle that could be used for a wide variety of applications. The bike's parallel twin engine was designed to provide a smooth, reliable power delivery, and its 5-speed transmission made it easy to shift gears and maintain control. One of the most distinctive features of the XS650 is its frame, which was designed to be both lightweight and durable. The XS650 also featured a number of other features that made it a favorite among riders. The bike's suspension system was designed to provide a smooth, comfortable ride, and its brakes were powerful enough to bring the bike to a quick stop when necessary. Other features of the XS650 included a comfortable seat, a high-quality instrument panel, and a wide range of accessories that could be used to customize the bike to fit the needs of the rider. The XS650 was also a capable performer on the racetrack. The bike's lightweight frame and powerful engine made it a popular choice for both amateur and professional racing, and it was used in a variety of racing disciplines, including road racing.